It looks like pee. Y'all can say it do look like pee, okay? Ooh, I'm nervous, y'all. It look like juice. Hold on, I'm scared. Woo! Hey, y'all. So I made me some homemade cough syrup out of onions and honey. And I just put the honey and chopped the onions and put the honey in there and let it like fermentate. Is that the word? For like, it's been like 15 hours. So you're really supposed to do it for 12 hours, but I did it for 15. So I'm going to strain it into this container. Hold on. So I have this old honey container with some honey in there. I don't know how this is going to taste. My strainer is a little dirty, but it's clean enough to get what we need to do. Okay? So I'm going to just put the strainer on top of there. And hopefully, if I hold it, it'll strain through there. Okay, let's see how it smells first. I ain't smell it. Ooh! Mmm. I don't know what I was expecting. I mean, it is onions. Like, it smells like onions. Some sweet onions. All right. Oh, y'all, I'm already making a mess. I'm surprised at how liquidy it is, though. Mmm. I didn't have any garlic. You're supposed to put garlic in here too, but I didn't have any garlic cloves, so we thugging it out with this. And that's just the perfect amount. Thank you. And that is supposed to be our cough syrup. Homemade cough syrup, y'all. It's good for your lungs, detoxing your body. And if you smoke, it's good for your lungs. So try this. Homemade cough syrup. It looks like pee. Y'all can say it do look like pee, okay? Ooh, I'm nervous, y'all. It look like juice. Hold on, I'm scared. Woo! Ooh, it's actually not that bad. It's like sweet with a hint of onion. I like that. That's good. And I guess I'm gonna just let this sit and see what it does tomorrow. I mean, if it's gonna make some more juice or whatever, I don't know. I didn't get that far in the experiment, but let me know if y'all have any other natural remedies that I want to try. Like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later.